What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this video is going to be a review from a wig from Eayon Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. Now, we do got us a 613 bob with a bang unit. Something new, fun, fresh, cute. Love that. So she is a 13x6 lace front wig, and she also is in the texture silky straight. So I started off by giving the hair a quick little wash, and that's why I am blow drying it now. And as you can see, it's not taking much for it to get back to its original state. I'm blow drying it on a high heat setting, and it's really straightening the hair out. So I do want to go over with my flat iron just to give it another, just a sleek look. I do believe I have my flat iron on 450, and the hair did wonders. For this hair to be not only processed, because it is 613 hair, it wasn't dry, it wasn't fried, and even when I was flat ironing in a such high heat setting, it still was doing good. It wasn't sizzling or anything, so I was really impressed. I didn't even use heat protectant in this hair, mainly just because the heat protectant that I have, it does give your hair a shiny look, and I hate shiny colored hair, whether it be blonde, whether it be red. But when your hair is too shiny, you get it too glossed up, it honestly looks synthetic. So I try not to do like go ham on stuff like that. So I didn't put any heat protectant in it, and it again did perfect. It wasn't damaged afterwards. As you can tell, I was doing pretty big sections when I was flat ironing the hair. I did want it to have a little bit body left in it. I didn't want it to be silky straight, but if you did want it to be silky straight, I would say take smaller sections. I took smaller sections in the bang area because I didn't want it to be too thick, because not the bang yang. You don't want it to be one of those. After it was done styling, I did cut off the excess lace because, again, this is a lace front wig. Even though it has a little bang on it, it's still lace on the side. So if you wanted to like tuck the bang back or tuck it behind your ear, you can do that. I'm sliding her on my head, and a lot of the times, girl, what am I doing? A lot of the times, I really don't even glue down my bang wigs because you don't need to, especially if it's a snug fit, and I got a very good fit on this cap, which is amazing. Girl, and I did slap on me a little scarf while I was flat ironing the bang, just so she didn't shift or nothing like that. But that's all I really did with that. As you can see, this wig is a very nice density and it doesn't look thin or too thick, so that was good. I sprayed a little bit of this Got To Be just to flatten her out in the top, and I put on a cute little headband to set her off. So if you did want to pick up this wig, it is from Eayon Hair, and everything on her will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for the final look.